It's freaking freezing. The blue skies are out. Everyone's leaving. The crows got into all of our shit. Not happy. I'm definitely going out on the boat today. We need to clean up here a bit because it's an absolute bomb site. Kira is on dishwashing duty this morning. I will make her wash the dishes because I've done it twice now. She's done it once. And once she does that, we'll make breakfast, and I think we're going to have a very slow day today. That should be nice. Play some mini golf. Yeah.
Thinking girls trip 2026, Somerset Dam, tubing, drinks, and fire. Sounds like a fucking great idea. Just have a fucking party. Go hard. Go hard or go home. That's pretty much my plan.
What's our plan for today?
I'm gonna cook some breakfast and then go up to the camp kitchen, get some hot water. So we have hot water with our breakfast. I'll probably turn the barbecue on and then go get the hot water, because then by the time I get back, the barbecue will be hot.
So you're not doing the dishes first?
Oh. Yeah, I didn't realise it was dishes. I thought you were meaning just the one for breakfast. I didn't look over there. Give me credit.
No, I was just seeing how much was actually in there. It's
and then
just all the stuff from last night.
And then probably hook up the boat. Go for a bit of a plunge around. Go see what's happening. Might go for a little bit of an adventure.
I like adventures.
And then might come back. Play some putt-putt. Mini golf, and then have probably a late lunch again, and then probably a later dinner.
And a nap in between.
Yeah.
I made the same breakfast as yesterday. Loaded oats. Kira, what did you make?
Use up the last bit of the bacon so that we can
Get rid of it.
so that I can just have Fruit Loops in the morning, nice and easy, so we're not making too much mess whilst we cook up. But I am having to answer the actual question. Same as yesterday.
We are off to go on to the boat.
Very far out because I can't cast it very far because
It is a knot in my rod.
Have you enjoyed your trip?
I have enjoyed my trip. Look at the moo-moos over there.
The fact though we started, like, if you turn the camera around, you might be able to zoom in from there.
Yeah, we were.
Where the little boy is.
I can't even. Oh, we were all the way. We started. Where is it? All the way over there. And we've ended up all the way over here. But we're going to head over there because that's apparently where.
Is it in that like actual cove? Yeah. Did you zoom in on it?
In like the little cove over here is apparently bass and something pearl. No, pearl perch. Golden pearl? I don't know. Mate! It's just sitting there. On the banks. on that side. Seagulls! They're gonna steal the prawns! What the heck? The moo-moos are over there. Oh god, there's moo-moos right next to the water. Do you reckon I can communicate with the cows? And I'm looked. Let's try this again, shall we? Look, if I'm being completely honest, I don't think we're gonna catch any fish.
Huh?
So if I'm being completely honest, I don't think we're gonna catch any fish. Our lines are currently out the back of the boat, doing absolutely nothing. Hey fishies, come on now, fishy time. But it's time to open this, which might explode.
You're playing a fucking risky fucking game. That thing's been in my car. Really creepy.
Are you videoing this? Wait, is it gonna taste bad?
I don't know.
So these can go out of date. There's no like, oh wait, no there is. And it's scratched off. Tastes pretty good. It's frozen. We're off to go play mini golf.
We're only driving there because
We don't.
we don't want to.
It is. We're like,
Block Beach is open. We'll have to check out Block Beach toilets.
we're pretty much at the back of the campsite, so
Not really, because there's like another fucking 400 metres beyond us.
we're like,
Midway, we're probably
quarters.
about halfway.
oh, well, we're that far then. But we're gonna go play putt-putt. And I'm gonna beat her ass.
See, those are good nice.
Yeah, we're gonna try a different shower
We're gonna
tonight.
go have a look at them on the way back. If they're just the same as the other ones. Yeah.
Because our showers are a little bit gross looking.
They're a bit creepy. But to be fair, there's not many people now staying in our area. There's not fucking 6 little maggot kids running around.
Yeah. There was like hair everywhere, band-aids. Which is like, I suppose, what you get for showering in a public bathroom. But come on now, if there's a better option, we're gonna take it.
Well, I don't think it actually would have been that bad if those 6 grumpy kids weren't fucking running around. Look out, Mr. Duck! Beep, beep.
Little duckies! Bye, my duckies. Hi, fam! Right. We're gonna go into reception, get our mini golf sticks. I think that's what we have to do.
Yeah, apparently you just gotta drop your wallet and stuff off and then you can play mini golf.
Why do you have to drop your wallet off?
Drop your ID off. Because you got to have the ID.
Oh, so it's like a honesty system.
So you don't steal and stuff.
Yeah. Right. Let's go to play some mini golf. I'm so excited. Okay, this is the course. These are the balls. And this is the loser.
They're big words coming from your mouth so early on.
I know. I'm actually got scared. I kind of suck tits at this, but I've talked to
Portia's up first.
Oh, here's your ball.
Let's see how bad this is. Just so you know, par's 2.
Par is 2.
Yeah. You got to get it in 2 to make par. Wow, she's got a bit of a comeback to make now.
Right. Oh, no, no, no. This is not even funny, man. Okay. Yep. All right, we get it. Good hit.
This is in 2 as well. Par is 2.
Okay.
Good work.
She's not getting this in. She thought she ate with that shot. She thought she ate. Oh. Oh no! What's going on, brother? Laugh if you miss this one too.
Not playing the game with me.
Hey, that's cheating.
No, you get to move it off a club space.
Are you making your own rules up here? 7.
That was 60, bitch.
Oh, sorry. Write it down then.
Miss.
Lay the house down, boots.
What are you going to give me if I win?
I was more thinking whoever loses has to jump in the water.
In what water?
The water at the front. You have to give me a massage if you lose. 3.
Bitch, I give you massages whenever you like them.
Well, you can give me an extra long one today when I win. This one's got a little bit of a dip to it.
Kick up.
Oh.
Yes. Yes. Club space off the wall. Okay, or not.
Oh! Into. Is that par?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Look at me just winning.
Oh. Sorry. There you go.
Yeah, don't try to scam me. That's robbery right there.
Hold on, that doesn't even count if it goes out.
Yes, it does. You just got to put it up right along the wall, a club space.
Club space.
And miss.
It's not happening, space.
Woo! Oh, what is this? It's like that penguin game, the one you slide over down the hills when the polar bear's chasing you.
Oh, yeah.
Got a wedgie. Let me just pull that out real quick. Okay, not bad.
And back to the start.
And back to the end.
It's 3 for par, so you're already over par. Oh! That's 4. 5.
Right, doing better than me. It's okay, you're not at par yet. Yep, now she's at par. 4. I was just doing...
I know, but I actually smashed a golf ball once and hit the car. How do you manage to keep yours in? Mine just fucking go out.
Because my ball likes me.
You probably fucking...
Dude,
You probably fucking damaged my ball.
I haven't touched your ball.
You're disadvantaging yourself.
Oh.
Stop! I fully thought that was going in just then.
And overshot.
Caught! Did you see it get caught?
Do I have to stay on the grass?
Yes.
Not bad. Maybe I should take up golfing.
Let's not.
Why not?
Let's just stick to horse riding.
Oh, I don't really do that very often. Hey, you will get that in too.
You said last time. And then I fucking got caught on the grass.
Yay!
This is the hole in one apparently.
Ow, my foot. Oh. The rock hit it.
Stuck between a rock and a hard place.
Oh no. Oh. Oh my day.
That's a double hit.
I just hit it. It got caught on the grass.
Well, that's 2. Three.
This might be your chance. Don't be getting all excited.
Four. 5. 6. Portia. Are you taking the piss now? 7. You're fully taking the piss now, aren't you?
No, I'm not.
8. Sorry. 9. Portia, gentle. 10. 11. 12. That was meant to be made in
That was
2.
a hard one, guys.
That was meant to be made in 2.
Well, you'll see what I... Oh no, 5.
Fuck me! You just about broke your ankle.
I'm trying to keep the ball from rolling. Stop rolling, you bitch.
Hit it. That's a drag.
Stay. Right. Okay. 3. That's what you did to me, you bitch.
We got this one next.
How exciting.
Wait.
Oh. 3. I was really hoping for a hole in one there. Hope for a hole in 2 there. Right.
Oh!
Oh. You're joking.
3.
Go, baby, go. Oh no! Back to the start. Oh. This might have helped me out. Right, is she gonna hit it for 6? This is your 6th hit, isn't it?
Huh?
This is your 6th hit, isn't it?
That's 4.
This is your 5th.
Yes.
Okay.
Just edit the rest of them out. Just edit them out.
Nah, that was 5. Let's calculate this. 12.
I won. You know what? If you hadn't got that 12,
I would have smashed you.
No.
Well, that's official. Kira's the winner. What do you win?
Portia accomplished something I'm going to brag about you for a second. Right now.
Thanks.
So, context, Portia has you've never reversed a trailer or anything, have you?
Not even towed a trailer until yesterday. Did you not see in the first day of me freaking out about having to move the car?
Yeah. So, Portia moved the car for the first time today, and once we put the boat on the trailer, I said, would you like to... You're pushing the fucking hazard button. I told Portia, would you like to drive the car up? She said, yep. So I taught her how to drive her car up a boat ramp with the boat obviously on the back. And then when we got back, I threw a spanner in the works and told her she had to reverse the boat. And for anyone that reverses trailers would know how hard that is to do for the first time. And you know what? She fucking nailed it. Yes, obviously I was directing her because I didn't want her to crash into anything or run over anyone. But I'd like to also thank my teaching. But she nailed it. I'm actually very, very proud. I was quite surprised, wasn't I? I was quite ecstatic. That was definitely a moment we needed to film and show your mum how good you did.
Yeah.
Okay, now to the toilets. There's like 4 of them.
I know, I saw. I look like an egg. It's currently 5:18. And I discovered that I have my iPad here which actually has satellite service. I forgot about that. It has satellite service, not power pole data. So I should be able to download my video now. Hopefully. How good is that? I completely forgot about that. How could I forget?
I'm really disappointed in you.
I know, it's the last night and I just remembered I had
would
it.
have watched the football.
She could have watched the football. But I'm going to charge my iPad so I can download the video.
Baby, I need that other bag of kindling. I don't move from my spot pretty much, guys.
No. Once she's set, she's set. But I have edited yesterday's video. I'll edit today's video on the car ride home tomorrow. Tonight will be the last day. Well, today's the last day of camp vlogs. How sad.
Oh my god, guys. I need to brag about my girlfriend really quick.
You've already bragged about me.
Oh, okay.
But go again.
My girlfriend slayed the boat trailer parking for the first time today. Might get a tow all the way home tomorrow.
No, I'm editing tomorrow.
That's right.
Yeah.
For our putt-putt game, where I get my hole-in-one.
Hole in 6.
Hole-in-one. I'm telling you, insert the clip at the start, clickbait.
Yeah, but then you go through and you realise it was actually her 6th shot. She got that. Oh, what is going on up here? It is. But I'm really excited to go for a shower soon. Because we're going to try the new showers. The new showers are way, way better. So, that'll be nice.
But we've got to remember to take the pot with us, and we haven't done the dishes yet today.
Oh, the dishes. Shut up. I've done them twice, and you've only...
I've done them twice.
Shit. I've done them 3 times.
Bullshit.
Yeah.
You haven't.
Anyways, I'm gonna sit down. Oh, she's blowing the fire again. Ugh. Can I have my peaches and creams? Give me the peaches and creams.
I don't know where they are.
I can say, pinkies. Oh yeah. Yep. Thank you. Pieces and keys. Pieces and cream.
Having at this thing.
What is going on?
I don't know, man.
Kira's making dinner. Spaghetti bolognese. We forgot a can opener. I'm ending the vlog here because all I'm doing is cleaning up everything and starting to pack the car so we can leave tomorrow. I put the clothes in the wash and in the dryer. And Kira's doing, what are you doing?
Right now,
Yeah.
watching Yellowstone highlights on my phone and stoking my fire.
Right. Well, I've got a lot to clean up.
I might jump in bed soon, not gonna lie, I'm kind of cold. I'll just lay with like the heater on and just with how it is now, and I'll keep talking to you though.
Good night.